Sefontein, Medium B, New Hanover, Nekopo. Yeah, 720. Yes, yes. We are always covered. It depends now. Then here, izongena na pure riser. Bese, iyongena kwi oven. Yes, still the same process.
Okay, so you've been here for 14 years, and besides working in the bakery, where else have you worked?
Inside the prison.
Here.
In the hospital.
In the hospital.
As a caregiver.
Okay, and how was that? How did you find it?
Oh, yes. I do have a certificate for that.
Okay.
I did it for years.
Okay, so caregiving, the certificate you got it before you came
No,
here?
I got it here inside.
Alright. And then when it comes to baking, will you also got training for that as well?
I also provide us with the training. I did the training. And yeah, now I'm a qualified.
Now you're qualified baker.
Yeah, got a certificate. With that certificate allow us I can even open my own business. My own family as well.
Is that the plan?
Yeah, because I'm about 24 out.
When are you going to be released?
This year.
This year. Well, congratulations.
Yeah.
And the plan is to open your own bakery.
Yeah, that's the plan. Go back to the community. What we learn inside. Because we did learn something.
Yeah.